This video will cover the built-in Azimuth diagnostic capabilities of the AAT, available when running firmware revisions Release 4, version 3, or later. The Azimuth Diagnostic feature, which is listed as AZM Diagnostic on the main menu screen of the AAT, provides a quick analysis of all conditions that affect how the AAT determines an Azimuth solution. For each of these conditions, a rating is calculated and reported, and this rating can be used to help guide the user to obtaining an Azimuth solution quickly and efficiently. Before demonstrating the feature, let's cover the various conditions which are analyzed in real time when using the AZM Diagnostic feature. Starting with the left or vertical display, cycle slips are shown first, and then the current value is displayed, followed by the rating of that value. For cycle slips, any value less than 15 is considered excellent. A value from 15 to 29 is considered okay, and anything 30 or higher is considered poor. Next up is satellite count, or how many satellites that the GPS subsystem is currently tracking in the sky. A count of less than 5 is considered poor, 5 or 6 is considered okay, and 7 or more is considered excellent. Right below satellite count, a message is displayed indicating the current state of the tool. You can see things like waiting for GPS, waiting for azimuth, move AAT to better mount position, and ready for capture. Waiting for GPS is displayed until the quality score is available. Move AAT to better mount position is displayed when satellite count and slips are poor. Ready for capture is displayed when azimuth is available, and satellite count and slips are both showing an OK and/or excellent rating. Below the status message, you'll see the current azimuth value and the quality score. The quality is the same value from the GPS summary screen, and it indicates the overall quality of the current conditions for obtaining an azimuth solution. On the right or horizontal screen, the first thing we see is the azimuth indicator message. It will flash no azimuth when no azimuth solution has been determined. Otherwise, a steady azimuth OK will be displayed when a solution has been calculated and displayed. Next up, the signal-to-noise ratio, or SNR, is displayed. An SNR value less than 43 is considered poor, from 43 to 46 is considered OK, and anything 47 or higher is considered excellent. To use the Azimuth Diagnostic tool, with the AAT mounted on the antenna and sitting at the main menu, press the down arrow key and navigate to the AZM Diagnostic option and press the Select button. The left and right displays are updated to show the Azimuth Diagnostic information, and the following options are available via the soft keys below the right display: low filter and high filter modes, main menu, and recalculate azimuth solution. The center soft key, labeled M menu, will simply return you to the main menu of the AAT. The leftmost soft key allows the user to toggle between high and low filter. By default, the AAT will be in high filter mode, so low filter is displayed on the menu. By pressing the low filter soft key, the AAT will enter the low filter mode and the leftmost soft key will change to high filter. Pressing the left soft key again will put the AAT back into high filter mode. Each time you toggle this setting, the AAT will recalculate an azimuth solution, which can take up to 90 seconds. A message is displayed on the right display when the new solution has been obtained. One example where using low filter might help is the following case. While on the ground, the AAT is powered on and is able to calculate an azimuth solution. At the top of the tower, the AAT is attached using the top mount and powered on. After 4 or 5 minutes, the AAT is unable to acquire azimuth. Using the Azimuth Diagnostic feature, it is determined that the satellite conditions are borderline, so low filter mode is toggled on. The AAT recalculates the azimuth solution using the low filter parameters and is able to acquire azimuth. At this point, the tool is placed back into high filter modes so the needed captures can be performed. The rightmost soft key is labeled Recalc, which causes the AAT to recalculate the azimuth solution based upon which filter is currently selected. For example, if high filter is enabled, the AAT will recalculate the azimuth solution using the high filter tolerances. Keep in mind that when you switch from high filter to low filter or vice versa, the recalc is performed automatically, so there is no need to perform a manual recalc unless you have repositioned the AAT on the antenna and want to flush the currently queued GPS data. If you hold the recalc button for a couple of seconds, the AAT will perform a full GPS reset. This should only be necessary in a case where the GPS subsystem has collected bad data, such as if the AAT were left on while it was carried vertically. The AZM Diagnostic feature is a very useful and quick way to help troubleshoot current conditions when the AAT is unable to determine an Azimuth solution. Additional troubleshooting topics are covered in the Advanced Azimuth Diagnostics video series. This concludes the video on the AZM Diagnostic feature of the AAT.